2014 Dodge Challenger V6. Really nice, pretty orange color. Got factory converters there and there. Factory X pipe right there. Then we put some DYNOMAX race bullets, part number 24250, right there on each side. And then we did a muffler, a rear resonator delete, there and there. And put some quad tips there and there. As you guys can see, it looks very nice. This is everything we cut off of it right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. So we showed you guys before. Now we're going to show you after on this 2019 Dodge HEMI Challenger. Still got the converters factory. Less than 4,000 miles on it. Factory X pipe. Then we put these DYNOMAX bullets. If you want the link in the description if you want to purchase them. Right there. They're 3-inch to 3-inch. And then we put 3-inch, deleted the rear mufflers or resonators and put 3-inch pipe in their place. There and there. And then we put quad tips out the back. Black quad tips to accent the black wheels and the white color. Came out really beautiful, really nice. That's everything we cut off right there. There's the mid mufflers. There's the rear mufflers or resonators. Everybody calls them different. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do them. 2020 Dodge Challenger. SCAT pack, $392. Really beautiful green olive color. I like that. It's different. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there. He came from the channel also. We appreciate that very much. And so hit that like and subscribe button for him as appreciation for him bringing his car into us so we can show off what we can do and make it sound good. Anyways, it's got an X pipe on it. I'm sorry guys, it's still early. And we put DYNOMAX race bullets, one here, then 3-inch pipe to complete it. Still got the exhaust cutouts, cutouts. I'm sorry guys, today is not my day. It's still got the exhaust valves there and there. So when you put it in sport mode or track mode, they open up, it gets a lot louder. Still got the factory resonators in the back, there and there, or mid muffler or rear mufflers, whatever you want to call them. And factory tips, there and there. Today is not my day, but we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. DYNOMAX race bullets. Came out really beautiful. Hopefully it'll sound really good too. They usually do. They usually impress. What we got for you guys today is a 2016 Dodge Challenger HELLCAT SRT. Beautiful car, beautiful color, my favorite. I know I keep repeating that, but it's okay. It's got factory converters there and there. It's only got 11,000 miles on it. 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into an X pipe, factory. And what we did, we took off the DYNOMAX race bullet, mid mufflers and put DYNOMAX race bullets in their place. We took off the mufflers and put DYNOMAX race bullets there. And put 3-inch pipe adapters there and there. There they are. Hope you guys like them. We keep the valves in there. You don't want to take them out because it will mess with the transmission. And we left the rear resonators or mufflers. Each person calls them differently. There's the part number on the DYNOMAX race bullets. We'll put a link in the description for them for you guys. 24250. And these are the 2 mid mufflers or resonators that we cut off. There it is. That's how it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And subscribe. Oh yeah, much better. There's sound decibels. I reached up to 114, guys. Go ahead and back it up. You like it? Yeah, I do. All right. Sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Beast mode! That sounds so much better. You can tell the demons are coming out. That sounds good. That's much better. There we go. Much better. Sound decibels. Again. It peaked at 116 earlier. This is what we cut off of it. That's the mid resonators or mid mufflers, whatever you want to call them. There it is. Another beautiful SCAT pack. Okay. You need to take the back ones off. We gotta make it louder. They really scream when you take the back ones off. What we can do is get 2 more DYNOMAX and put them in the back. It'll be a double. It'll sound really good. I don't think he has it in sport mode. Sounds really good. He's gonna put it in sport mode for us. So that was in regular mode, eco mode, or he's going to be in sport mode next. Yeah, change it a little bit. Get on it, man. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you. 2016 HELLCAT. Beast of a car. Go ahead. Much better. Decibels again. Reach 117 on the sound decibels. Go ahead and back it up. Man, I love that sound. You can't beat that sound. DYNOMAX race bullets. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah. This is it. It's track mode now. Again. Which one do you guys like more? The eco mode or track mode? I think track mode. Everything we cut off of it right there. Dodge Challenger Beast. to be back, and we're going to put 2 DYNOMAX in the back too. Eliminate those rear resonators or mufflers. Hopefully it'll go beast mode. Dodge Challenger Hellcat Beast. Hopefully it'll go beast mode. We'll see. We need a good drive off from one of these. I think you guys can agree. And we need a good drive off.